at Jeep Camp. We're getting ready to go hit full size and nut roll in Camp 5, and then possibly do some Kong. Get some action in there.
Are those easy trails or are they hard trails?
Kong is about an 8 out of 10, so it's pretty tough. You definitely need a front and rear locker on it, and you're going to be using your rock slider on it.
Nice.
So,
Charlie, how do you think you're going to do?
I'm not overheating, so that's a plus.
Do you have any lockers?
Nope. Barrier lock, front and rear, but we'll see how it is. I'll probably end up passing Kong, but there's plenty of other stuff I can hit today. So I'm super excited.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
It'll be another project. Locker. Good. No front marker. Ooh. A little bit too much for a cowboy. Like crystal there. Right there.
Nice and slow.
Say it.
huh?
Locker.
Would be nice.
There we go. And then come driver.
Yeah. Little Chevy power out here. You're good. A little bit passenger. Right there. Good, you're going to be coming up to both corners. Passenger on out.
That does feel look a little sketchy.
You're good though. Just go as slow as you can.
Passenger.
Slow as you can.
Coming down now.
There you go, slow as you can. Perfect. Nicely done, Charlie.
Now you can come to passenger.
Coming. You're on your slider now.
You should start biting and coming up over here.
Nice. Passenger. Keep passenger.
Another passenger.
Okay, you're gonna drop in the back, so take it nice and easy.
Unless you don't like your killers.
Just kiss the bump.
Nice job.
right, guys. Charlie behind the camera and camera guys up front. What are we about to do?
We're about to hit Kong. It is probably the hardest street Jeep trail that there is in the Black Hills. It's rated an 8 out of 10, but here in the Black Hills they reserve 8 or 9s and 10s for buggies only. So this is about as hard as we can get in the Black Hills.
Pretty much, it's gonna be really interesting to watch. Here's a quick snippet of the sign that right at the entrance. And then we're just gonna keep going. Let's get it.
Since Kong is such a tough trail, we decided to leave behind Jeeps that did not have front and rear lockers. So we brought the JL with long arms and 40s, and we brought Chevy's white XJ that had 35s and front long arms. Everybody who didn't get to drive on Kong, they followed us up the trail on foot, helping us spot, stack rocks when we needed, and take pictures and video along the way.
Hey, you're gonna crawl on the passenger side.
Bite it this way.
Yep, yep. There it is, there it is. Okay, as you come down, go faster a little bit. Okay, maybe start coming driver.
You can go hard driver right now.
Yep.
Hard driver.
I think he's got it. Once he gets over this rock.
Yep.
Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go.
There it is. Whoa, maybe. They're coming. It's coming down.
It's coming. They're good.
Rear's climbing up now.
Oh, he was way in the air.
doing?
Good.
All right.
Yep, there it is. Okay, come driver. Straighten out. Back up. Okay, go passenger. Okay, come forward. Nice and flexy here. There it is. As you come forward, go driver. Right there, that's it.
Yeah.
Maybe straighten out
Now
right
getting
there.
straight.
How's it look on that side?
Good.
It's got room.
Good.
As you come forward, go passenger.
How was it? Good. Oh yeah, real good.
There you go. There you go. Okay, when you rear climb, come drive or passenger. Stop. Passenger a little bit. Okay, now come forward. I know what you mean.
This was the last obstacle on Kong. All this crazy stuff. This is the end. We finally made it. Chevy's got his XJ.
Got the XJ rock linked and made it up
35s.
with some rock throwing, but we got it. It's
Stock
all
Dana 30 up
Dana
front.
30 up front, sleeved, and an 8.8 in the rear.
Yep.
Locked up front and back, but it made it.
Yep. And then the JL's on 40s and long arms with stock axles. So that's it.
It was like driving a limo, but
Yeah.
you got it.
Yeah. We did it.
Nice job. Thanks,
guys.
crew.
Good job,
Good job,
spotters.
Spotters, videographers.
Sounds good. And for reference, remember, this is all uphill, and I don't know how many times I fell down just trying to walk this thing.
20 yards. Was,
I mean,
20, 30 yards was.
just one thing after another.
It's a tough trail.